This spotlight on estate planning is sponsored by Game Plan Financial. Every game has a winner, every winner has a game plan. For more information, visit gameplanfinancial.com. Estate taxes and generation skipping taxes, or GSTs, were eliminated this year, but if Congress fails to act, they will leap to 55% with a $1 million exemption in January. Last year, wealthy Americans could give $3.5 million to their grandchildren without paying GST, but any money beyond that was taxed at 45%. This year, grandparents can pass on assets to their grandchildren without paying any GST, a move many financial advisors are urging their clients to make. Advisors are careful to point out that to take full advantage of this year's GST break, assets should be given directly to the heir and not placed in a trust, as assets placed in trust can be taxed when distributed later on. However, many grandparents are hesitant to give money directly to their grandchildren, particularly if they are minors. But as it appears increasingly less likely that Congress will pass a retroactive GST, advisors report that their clients are beginning to reconsider. Wealth Counsel LLC and Trust and Estates magazine recently announced the launch of their 4th annual Industry Trends Survey, which is the estate planning industry's sole source of widespread insight on emerging trends. Participation in the web survey is open to all practicing estate planning attorneys and closes on October 25th. Findings will be released on January 10, 2011. This year, the survey includes several new questions, including whether attorneys favor or oppose the repeal of estate tax. It also asks participants why they believe many Americans do not have a complete estate plan. The insight gained from the survey is expected to aid industry professionals in more effectively communicating the need for estate planning to the general public. InTrust Super recently announced that it has launched a full-service, not-for-profit financial planning business called InTrust 360. According to Chief Executive Brendan O'Farrell, this business will not limit itself to specific advice, instead offering recommendations, quote, inclusive of direct investment in shares, property, aged care strategies, and estate planning, unquote. In addition, InTrust 360 will feature an online advice system providing members with real-time advice on superannuation, insurance, and salary sacrifice options. The company will charge only what is required to run the business, making it possible to charge approximately half of what conventional planners do, according to O'Farrell. For more industry spotlights, visit producersweb.com.